Hello students, further moving on the third chapter. After true and false there are question answer, we'll do it later. Let's do the vocabulary section in which you have given make sentences. For this I have made my sentence. You can change and write in your own also. The first word is kindly. So I have written kindly accept my request. You can write any other. These are the adjective given and you have to use this adjective or this word in your own sentences. Number 2 is quietly. We should sit in the class quietly. Number 3 is loudly. Teachers must speak loudly. Number 4 is badly. He was injured badly. Number 5 is foolishly. He missed his chance foolishly. Number 6 is nicely. All the things were arranged nicely. So these are the words. You have to write, you have to use these words in your own sentence. Student, let's come to page number 25. Your exercise is given in the verb part in which some jumbled words are given. Jumbled word, you have to arrange these words to make a sensible sentence. Like number 1 is sail on the ship the sea. If you arrange this word, first write ship sail on the sea. It becomes a sentence which gives a complete sense. Number 2, the track runs a train on. Now arrange this. A train runs on the track. This is jumbled word, mixed word. You have to arrange before or after to make a sensible sentence. Number 3 is rises the sun morning every. You will arrange it like this. The sun rises every morning. Number 4 is on books the table are the. So then arrange like this. The books are on the table. Number 5 is a watching match is Neha football. So it will be Neha is watching a football match. Now do this exercise in your book only in good handwriting, and then in the next video I will give you answer question of the chapter. Question number 3 is what happened one day? यानी एक दिन क्या हुआ? The answer is one day Sumit lost his school bag with his books and musical pencil box. That means एक दिन सुमित ने अपनी स्कूल बैग खो दी जिसमें उसके सारे बुक्स और वो अमेजिंग म्यूजिकल पेंसिल बॉक्स भी थे. Number 4 question is was Sumit's bag found? Where was it found? The answer is yes. क्या सुमित को अपनी बैग मिली? तो आंसर इज yes. Yes, Sumit bag was found. It was behind the bushes in the playground. जब दिन में वो लंच के टाइम में खेल रहे थे तो प्लेग्राउंड में झाड़ियों के पीछे उसका बैग गिर गया और वो दिखाई नहीं पड़ा. लेकिन सोहन के रिक्वेस्ट में सब क्लासमेट्स ने मिल के उसकी बैग को ढूंढ निकाला. So these are the question answer. Now it's your duty to write the question answer in your notebook in very good handwriting and learn it. Thank you. Hello students. Today we'll discuss the question answer of the third chapter, good habits and bad habits. The first question is what was the difference between Sohan and Sumit? The answer is मतलब सुमित और सोहन में क्या डिफरेंस, क्या अंतर था? आंसर इज सोहन वॉज वेल मैनर्ड, फ्रेंडली एंड केयरफुल, whereas Sumit was quarrelsome, indisciplined and careless boy. That means सोहन में अच्छे गुण थे और वो फ्रेंडली था और वो अपनी चीज़ों को संभाल के रखता था. On the other hand, Sumit was very quarrelsome, झगड़ालू था, अनफ्रेंडली था, इनडिसिप्लिन था और अपनी चीज़ों को केयर ना करने वाला केयरलेस बॉय था. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु ट्राई टू चेंज सुमित बैड हैबिट्स? सुमित की बैड हैबिट को किसने बदलने की बहुत कोशिश की? द आंसर इज सुमित्स मदर। सुमित की माँ ने उसकी ये जो गंदी आदतें थी उसको बदलने की बहुत कोशिश की थी। द आंसर इज सुमित्स मदर ट्राइड टू चेंज सुमित्स बैड हैबिट बट सी फेल्ड। लेकिन वो सक्सेस नहीं हुई। उसने बहुत चेंज करने की कोशिश की लेकिन सी वॉज नॉट सक्सेस।